Hello friends, today I am going to show you item master, products, all products and release product. First you need to go to product information system, then here all products and product master. You will see all the products are ready to release in all products and product master. Once you release product for particular legal entity, then that products will be release product and that will be available under the released form. To release the product, you here need to go release and select the company, then it will release. It's very simple process of releasing the product in the particular legal entity. I am closing this form. We will go to release product. In release product, you can create new, you can delete. Here product tab. In product tab, you can see dimension group, translation, language. What is translation? Translation means you are going to translate your products as a name or description. You can set the product name and long description. Here you can take the language and here you can set the description. Then dimension group you are already aware on 2012. Then product attributes, product categories, unit conversion is very important. For particular product you can set the unit conversion. You can set any unit conversion from each to kilogram, boxes, each to boxes, like that, and liter, kg, all those unit you can set here. Based on that, that unit will be used for sales and purchase lines during the creation of item lines in sales and purchase. Then purchase tab, you can see here view trade agreements, you can create trade agreements, you can create line discount, multi-line discount, total discount, and then sale tab. Here the same mostly, but it will be related to sales agreements. And in under the manage inventory, you can see on hand inventory, and transaction happen under that release product. You can see on the transaction form. Engineer tab, this is also important. You can see all cases where used, report as finished, then plan, then manage projects. You can see invoice control, cash flow, project statement, cost control. Then manage cost is also very important. You can see the item price, transaction cost entries and postings. Then commerce, and then journal, setups and options. Now I will go to the particular any one item inside this, and we'll see whatever things are available. You will see item number, products, product number. In the administration section you will see that storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, item model group is also very important. In next video we will take the item model group, and this is the purchase section. Under this you can see whatever purchase unit, whatever prices is set, and inclusive change group, inclusive in unit price, discount, total discount, price update. This is very important, latest purchase price. If you tick this as yes, then latest price will be automatically updated to this field, and you can select the data price. Here you can select the buyer group, then promotion tab, then delivery, then sales, purchase and manage inventory is important tab for any release product. You have to take care on in the field under these section, in which you can see the purchase price or sales price, and same selection for latest price update. Then you have a foreign trade tab. After that, manage inventory. Here in manage inventory, latest cost price unit, item group, cost group, then manage project. You can select project category or item as per your requirement. And these are the financial dimensions: cost center, department, item group, project, warehouses, and commerce section. These are the major things under the release products. If any in doubt, you can comment on my video. And if you like the video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.